Question 4a and b says, in the diagram above, PQRS are points on a circle with center K. At the center of the circle is K. Looking at this, it means the distance from K to R, that's RK, is the same thing as the distance from K to S, both which are the radius. This triangle formed is an isosceles triangle. Base radius of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means these two will be the same. Now let's go to second point and see what we can derive from it. KR is a bisector of angle SRQ, as KR divides R in the middle, then SQ into two equal parts. That means this angle is the same as this. So let's note that too. F angle KSP, that's S in the middle, is 41, as S to K to P is 41, it is given, and angle SKR is 80, this is given as 80. Find RQP, so Q in the middle, Q to R to P, finding this first. So how do we find that? We can't find that directly, we have to go gradually to find it. Since we know this is 80, and this, from what we've derived, this is an isosceles triangle with both lines are equal, which represents the radius. So we'll do, let's name each of them X. So we have, since it's a triangle, we can call this X and can call this X. So we have X plus 80 equals 180. This is sum of angles in a triangle. X plus X is 2X, that's 180 minus 80. You take out the 80, 2X equals 180 minus 80 is 100. X is 100 divided by 2. X is 50. From information we've gathered so far, we have this to be 50, this to be 50, and this to be 50. So this total side will be 100, as stated earlier in the question. So the question says, find RQP. We're finding this first, and the formula says, with this information we've derived to be 50, X is 50, so we know this X is 50, and we're asked to find this. And you're very good with your cyclical quadrilateral. You will know that the sum of opposite angles of a cyclical quadrilateral is equal to 180. That means the addition of this angle plus this angle should equal 180. So we have 50 plus 41 minus 180 will give you this. So we can say RSP, angle RSP plus angle RQP should equal 180, as sum of opposite angles of a cyclical quadrilateral. And we have our RSP, which is this, to be 50 plus 41, that's 91, plus the one we're looking for, X unknown, equals 180. So we have X equals 180 minus 91. X is therefore 89 degrees. Then for the second part of the question, it says find SPQ. That's P in the middle. We'll find S and Q. So we're looking for this angle, similar to the first one, but since we know these two sides are equal, both are radiuses, so this is 50, and it also says in the question that line RK divides this angle into two equal parts. So if this is 50, this is 50. From this we can now say SRQ, angle SRQ plus SPQ equals 180, just like the first part, sum of opposite angles of a cyclical quadrilateral equals 180. So we know our angle SRQ, which is 50 plus 50, that's 100, plus angle SPQ, which we are looking for, which is X, equals 180. x is 180 minus 100. X is therefore 80 degrees.